Greetings to all students. Welcome to your English class by Kehkashan Khan. Today I will teach the chapter 4, The Amazing Deepa. Warm-up exercise. Match the sports with the name of the sports people. Sports person Dola Banerjee. Match with archery. Vishwanath Anand. Match with the chess. Dhyan Chand. Match with the hockey. Yuvraj Singh. Match with cricket. Tiger Woods match with golf. Sania Mirza is the player of lawn tennis, so match with the 1 number. Now start the chapter. Deepa Karmakar is the first Indian gymnast to qualify for the Olympics after 52 years. So Deepa Karmakar is the first Indian gymnast. Gymnast means Hercules. Okay. For Olympics 52 years after she is participating in gymnast. So this is the great one thing for Indian. And at the 2016 Summer Olympics at Rio de Janeiro, Deepa is the only gymnast from India at the Inter Women's Vault final. Deepa is the only gymnast who entered the women's vault. Vault means jump. She is born on 9th August 1993. She belongs to Agartala, Tirupura. She started practicing gymnastics when she was 6 years old. It means she was very young now. She has been coached by Vitrend Bisweshwar Nandi. Vitrend means experienced person, okay, who remains her coach even now. Nandi recalled. Recalled means thought. I still remember Deepa coming to me as a flat-footed kid. It means Deepa has flat foot. Okay. This physical problem is not good for a gymnast. It affects the spring in the jump. That was the hardest part to fix for Deepa. She has a flat-footed foot now, so she cannot stand properly when she will jump on the something. So this is a physical problem and this is not good for the gymnast. So we had to work very hard when she was a little kid to get the curve in her feet, he added. Mr. Nandi said, if we want to making a curve in her feet, we had to do work very hard. Deepa's father was a coach with the Sports Authority of India. Despite her food problem, she has despise mean ignore. Despite her food problem, she wanted her to try gymnast. He wanted her to try gymnast. Who wants? Her father wants. Even though India as a country is more attached to cricket. We know Indians likes the cricket more, na? And nobody likes the gymnast. So in this condition, so he introduced her to gymnast even though Deepa was a reluctant learner. Deepa does not like the gymnast, but she is trying because her father won't. It was very difficult to get money from the government. Why it is difficult? Because nobody is participating in the gymnast. So it is difficult to take money from the government. And other sources to get equipment. Equipment means tools for gymnast. Okay. Her first gym and equipment were created out of the part of an old scooter. Her first equipment were created by the old scooter's parts. In 2007, when she won at the Junior National in Jalpaiguri, Deepa wanted keen to excel at the sports. In 2007, when she won the Junior National in Jalpaiguri, Jalpaiguri is the area of the Tripura. So she became very excited and she became to the best learner. She decided she will become a good learner of this sport. She was the part of the Indian gymnast contingent at the Delhi Commonwealth Games in 2010 in February. Deepa won 5 gold medals in floor vault. Floor vault means jump on with the floor, all around balance beam and uneven bars at the 2011 National Games of India representing Tripura. She was participating in the gymnast and she was presenting to Tripura. She was in the spotlight in 2014 at the Commonwealth Games. This is the short form of this CWG, held in Glasgow, Scotland, and won a bronze medal. And after doing this work, she has become a spotlight of Tripura and she got many prizes, making it India's first event medal by a women's gymnastic in the CWG. She has got first medal by a woman gymnast. This young gymnast created history on 18 April 2016 by becoming the first Indian woman gymnast to qualify for Olympics, as she booked a berth for the Rio Games after a strong performance. And this was the history when she has take the part in Indian Olympic gymnast for women's on 18 April 2016. So she booked the berth to go there. Ecstatic and exhausted. Ecstatic means tired and very happy and tired. Okay, in equal measure. She was happy and she was tired also. They are balanced. On her return from Rio, Deepa Karmakar said she would look to continue making history whenever she competed. And she was making history for making awards. I will put every effort to ensure that I keep creating history. My target was to qualify at any cost and I am happy. She said, I am very happy because I have completed my target, that is participating in the Olympics. That I have achieved my target, Deepa told reporters. Deepa told to reporters, I have completed my target after returning to the country to a hero's welcome. Apart from being the first Indian woman, she also became first from the country to qualify for the Quadrennial. Quadrennial means happening every 4th year. Okay, shows that happening every 4th year, that is called Quadrennial events. Her first vault I have told you jump, which is the very difficult. Okay, that is very difficult and dangerous Prodonova event called the Vault of Death. Her first vault is called the Vault of Death because it was very difficult to Deepa because she has flat foot. Deepa 15.66 Deepa 15.066 points, the highest among the 14 competitors. She got the 15.066 point, and this is the highest amongst the 14 competitors. You can understand in the Olympics. Eventually, she came 8th in the final, and after she came 8th in the final and did not win a medal, but she won many hearts. She has not won the medal, but she won many heart of the Indians. In July 2018, Deepa became the first Indian gymnast to win a gold medal at a global event. Global means worldwide. Okay, worldwide event. When she finished first in the world event, the FIG Artistic Gymnastic World Challenge Cup at Mersin, Turkey. She has got gold medal in Turkey in July 2018. Okay, though Indians have been applauding Deepa the plucking. Applauding means praised. Applauding means praised. They are very happy with the Deepa because she has done the good thing for India. And plucky. Okay. Gymnast credits her coach. Plucky means what you know? Plucky. Brave and determined, especially when success is unlikely. Because she has a foot flatted girl, and she was doing a good thing in the Turkey. So we are using the plucky word for her. Success. She said it was very difficult. Who said? Deepa said it was very difficult, but I have got a great mentor. Mentor means an experienced person. Okay, a coach and experienced person who helps someone who has less experience, especially in their job. So she is talking about her coach, because of whom I am here, who is giving the appreciation to her coach. And she said without him nobody would have known my name. She told to the reporters that only her coach knows her name, but now everyone knows her name. When asked about her choice to perform the vault of death, and this is the choice of her coach. Which vault? Vault of death. To achieve something, you have to ask risk. You have to take risk. Who said this? Her coach said this. You will take a risk and you will do vault of death. And then after she get the success. If you will in your life you will take risk, so it may be possible you will get success in the last. Okay class? I am thankful that special arrangements were made at the Indira Gandhi Stadium, where I practiced and learned the Prodonova Vault. She was say thank you to Indira Gandhi Stadiums because they are maintain the state for her for practicing of Prodonova Vault. Otherwise it would have been impossible. Okay, so I am thankful to the Sports Authority of India. Today Deepa is acknowledged to be one of 5th women's gymnastic in the world to have successfully landed the Prodonova Vault. In this time Deepa has 5th position in women's gymnastics. She has successfully landed the Prodonova Vault. Deepa is recipient of the Padma Shri. She has won the Padma Shri award for her performance in Rio Olympics 2016. The government of India gave her the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna award in August 2016. What tricks us when we see the stupendous performance by this stupendous means amazing performance. Okay, amazing performance by this gymnast at the age of 22 only. You can understand, students. In her humility. Humility means a way of behaving like a human. She never merits her achievements to her own efforts slowly. Constantly, she brings forward her coach, her father, and the sports authority as the responsible for her success, and pray her gratitude to them. I hope class you must have understood this lesson. Thank you.